Mahogany. Mahogany yan. Ganyan yung mga. Europobiasia.
Trung kỳ.
Kita naman na ikuod.
Gusto minawin na minawin dito. Capture dyan.
Everyone okay? Yeah, I don't see many people in the morning do exercise. Tai Chi, so
Tai Chi.
now you will do exercise.
Maravilhoso para uma paloma. Ave Maria. Oh. Against the light.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please. First of all, welcome you to the Cat Ba National Park, where we are now right in the center of the island, which is 10 kilometers from the harbor, Zaluan Harbor, right? Before we together come inside and explore the beautiful cave, I would like to share with you some information, some story about Ha Long Bay and Cat Ba Island. Yeah. Firstly, do you know the name Ha Long Bay? What does that mean?
Ha Long Bay.
Not very long way.
Dragon.
Sorry?
Dragon Bay.
Dragon Bay, yeah, almost right. 50%.
Going down.
Yeah, so perfect. Everyone? Right, so ladies and gentlemen, Ha Long Bay means descending of Dragon Bay, and the name is come from a local legend. You know, very long time ago, we have to fight back the powerful pirate from the north. So the king of the heaven sent a family of dragons to come here and protect this land. So after helping the Vietnamese, the family of dragon decided to stay here, and where the mother of dragon landed, they call Ha Long Bay. Yeah, and where the baby of dragon landed, they call Bái Tử Long Bay and Lan Hạ Bay. Okay, and I got one question frequently asked by my guests. They said that they asked me about what is different between the Hạ Long Bay, Lan Hạ Bay, and Cat Ba Island. Why they have different names? So officially, both the area have the same formation of the rock. It was formed 570 million years ago by the tectonic movement. So all the mountains you are seeing right now This is Limestone Island, and it used to be the seabed in
Yeah,
the beginning.
I saw that.
And by the tectonic movement, it's pushed the seabed go straight up and turn the sea area into a continent. But you know, because if it's a limestone, by million year be washed by the rain, and the water go up and down, so it divided into so many islands, as you can see. So the number of the island in Hạ Long Bay and Lan Ha Bay is 1,969 islands.
Oh.
Yeah, it's cover 1,553 square kilometers, twice bigger than Singapore, right?
wow.
And this is area were protected by UNESCO since 1992 because of the value of the beauty. Yeah, and the second time it's also become the heritage site of the world because of the value of the geology and geomorphology. So Cat Ba Island is the biggest island belong to Hạ Long Bay system, which cover 300 square kilometers and protect more than 4,000 types of the fauna and flora. Among of them, 58 of species endangered. Yeah. When we visit Cat Ba Island, we can see two most special thing is the Cat Ba langu. So the Cat Ba langu is a type primate, you know, with the body black and the head is white color. So they call the white-headed langu as well. So during kayaking yesterday, you may see some of them, right? So all around the world only have 120, and in Cat Ba Island there are 67 of them survive. So really rare. So you were lucky to see them, right? And the second is Kim Zao forest. So what is the Kim Zao forest? It's a type of tree that the king they used to make the wood to make the chopstick, because they said that when they test the food, if the food poisonous, it's gonna change the color of the Kim Zao wood. So it's very special, right? So in Cat Ba Island divided into two layers. The buffer zone we just passed, that's for the local people live, and farming also protect this area. And core layer 15,000 hectares. 15,000 hectares, and they protect it very seriously, very carefully. So they don't want Cat Ba Island become the heritage site of the world. Besides, they want it become the national reserve. Because if you know this area is so famous, more people come here, and the local people gonna hunting the animal and chop down the trees, serve for tourists. So the UNESCO refused Cat Ba Island become the part of the heritage site of the world. Yeah. So the most population of this island in the Cat Ba town. You know, Cat Ba town about 4 kilometers from here with 13,000 people. They live and working in tourism as well, serve for tourists. And besides 4,000 more fishermen, they live on the boat in the south of this island. So the Trung cave we visit today is was formed from 700,000 years ago. It's called remnant of old British cave. The cave related to the underground stream inside the mountain. Inside with many stalactite and stalagmite. Take 100 years to grow 1 centimeter only. So when we come, we don't touch it, okay? Because we don't want to destroy it, right? It's some place you have to go like this because it looks like a tunnel. So mind your head and your step. The name Trang is the name of the ladies who found the cave before the 1957. And this cave related to the war, Vietnamese war. Have you heard about that? Anyone heard about the Rolling Thunder or Linebacker 2? So the Linebacker 2 is the last campaign of the Southern government. So they use the B-52 bombing in this area in 12 days. So the maximum effort to destroy all the big cities like Hanoi, the capital, Hải Phòng here, and Nam Định and Lạng Sơn, and turn the big city into the Stone Age. Yeah, so they bombing with B-52 for 12 days. So the people on this island were invited by Miss Trung Trang go inside the cave to avoid the bombing in this area, and about 200 people they live in the cave. And besides, they also have a hospital cave about 1 kilometer from here. That's hospital cave, so for helping the people get hurt. And the cannon fort in the Cat Ba town to protect the south with the cannon. Yeah. All right, so ladies and gentlemen.